This conference is a great day for Danish companies. It is an event where we bring European suppliers and large European companies to Copenhagen, and this is an opportunity for them to meet the world-class companies of the Danish defense industry.
Years ago, Connexus was assisting Lockheed Martin winning the Seahawk helicopter for the Danish Armed Forces. And with that contract, we had to do industrial cooperation here in Denmark. And we were looking for several companies to work with. A lot of them were traditional defense contractors. But we saw an opportunity to develop a support system for the Seahawk helicopter. And we approached Bridge IT, Empact, to see what they could do. They have showed me what they have been working on in the commercial world. And they came up with a solution that Lockheed was very pleased about. And this cooperation has actually turned into an entirely commercial relationship now, not driven by offset, but driven because of the solution that Empact can offer.
Soben Korean is a German company that we're basically suppliers to big OEMs. And we have strategically decided that we would like to support our primes with their offset obligations. And there's no other way to support them unless we discuss with them, we exchange ideas, we meet them, we network with them, and of course we get an exchange of ideas when it comes to best practices with offsets and also to talk with the offset authorities. And that's exactly what DKF is all about.
The reason why we're here is because we have a long-term relationship with Lockheed Martin. And with that relationship, we have built up some expertise that can be used across the board for service and maintenance for different industries. And of course, Lockheed Martin is a defense company, and we want to see if we can spread our knowledge, spread our development to the European defense industry.
A conference such as this one is very important for companies, SMEs such as Quadsat, because it brings together a lot of different large and high-profile actors that we would otherwise spend a lot of time running around trying to engage with. So it brings around and brings together a lot of the people we want to talk to, and we can do that in a nice environment during a single day.